Welcome to D Now 2016. I bet you'd like to know what kind of an awesome weekend we have planned, so here's your schedule. At 7:30, it's Session 1 with Sam Swan. Harrison Ford playing Sam Swan. At 9 o'clock, The Gathering, where we'll tell you about the awesome Weekend Warrior Challenge. Then we head off to our host homes at 9:30 for small group reflection and to get a little shut-eye because Saturday, it's a whole new day, starting with breakfast from 7 to 8. And then at 8 o'clock, it's Session 2 with Tito Rosado and Sam Swan. And then at 9 o'clock until noon, we'll use your unique talents and abilities to better mankind in a service project. Then at noon, it's lunchtime, a delicious, healthy, nutritious lunch. You'll need your energy for Mariposa Park from 1 to 3 o'clock for recreation, where that's dancing. We're Baptists. We can't do that. Oh, that's more like it. Then from 3 to 5 o'clock, it's the exciting chariot race in the Weekend Warrior competition. Then from 5 to 6, we cut you loose for a little free time. It's dinner time at 6, and you'll want your energy because right after dinner, it's laser tag. At 9 o'clock, it's Session 3 with Tito Rosado and Sam Swan. And then at 10:30, we head to our host homes for another night of a small group reflection. Sunday, 8 to 9 o'clock is breakfast. And then at 9 o'clock, it's Session 4 with Sam Swan. From 10 to 10:15, you get a 15-minute intermission to get ready for our 10:30 corporate worship in the sanctuary at First Baptist Church, West Albuquerque. It's D Now 2016.